Okay, we finished our dough. Let's put it into a clean glass bowl, cover it with some saran wrap. So it's pretty clumpy. It's not one big ball, but you can sort of squish it together once it's in the bowl. Okay, get all the dough out of the Mixmaster bowl. It's now in. I have clean hands. I'm going to just press it down, sort of compact it. And now I'm going to cover it with saran wrap. This needs to refrigerate at least for a couple of hours, if not overnight. So I'm going to put some saran wrap on there. Cut that off. You just want to make sure that that dough is covered well and get that into the refrigerator. It's been a couple hours now, so I'm going to check on the dough. Oh, it's nice and cold. And so now I want you to take that dough out, get ready to prepare it, and turn the oven on. You're going to turn it on, you're going to 400 degrees, and let that heat up, and then we will show you how to prepare the dough for the oven.